Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, now your second term is over, isn't it? Your Christmas celebrations are also over. Okay, now we are starting our third term. Okay, so are you all ready for the third term? Okay, all of you are having a third term book with you all, isn't it? Okay, now before I begin the third term, I would like to tell you something. That is, we already finished our cursive small letters A to Z, isn't it? See children, you all have to practice your cursive small letters A to Z whenever you get time. At least once or twice a week. Okay? Otherwise you all will forget, isn't it? Isn't it? Okay, so you all should practice it. Okay children, whenever you get time. Okay? Now, for this term we are going to start capital cursive letters. Okay, it's very interesting. Capital cursive letters. Okay children, are you all ready for it? Okay, today we are going to study 4 letters. The first 4 letters. Okay, A, B, C and D. Okay, just watch carefully how ma'am is writing and then you have to practice in your which book? Yes, rough book and in your cursive writing book. And what did ma'am say? Yes, 1 letter each day. Okay? Okay, and after that we are going to study one new lesson. That is lesson 1 of the third term. Okay? That is action words. Okay children? But first let's start with the cursive writing. Are you all ready for the cursive capital letters? Okay then, let's start children. Okay children, first write today's date 28/12. Okay, and then you write a small C. Okay, a small C and a slanting line touching red line up. Small C up, come down. A small C like this going up, coming down and a tilt like this. Okay, see children, like this and like this. See, this is capital A, cursive A. Okay, capital cursive A. Let's write one more line. A small C, go up, come down, touch here and then come out. See children, you have to practice. Okay, this is the way you have to write cursive capital A. Okay children, got it? Okay, now you write tomorrow's date, that is 29/12, and we'll practice the next letter. A slanting line. A slanting line, go back. Slanting line, go back, touch here. Slanting line, we go back, touch here and then you have to write like this. Slanting line, go back and like this. This is cursive capital B. Slanting line, go back, turn like this. Okay children, let's write one more line. Slanting line, go back and like this. Slanting line, go back and like this. This is capital cursive B. Okay children, you all must practice. Okay. Okay, now we go to the next letter, next date, that is 30/12, and the next letter is C. Yes, we start from the second line and then like this. Okay, second line, then come like this and then turn here. This is cursive capital letter C. Cursive capital letter C. Cursive capital letter C. Okay children, this is very easy, but see that you write nicely. Okay, like this. It should come like this. Okay, next date 1/1. Sorry children, it is 31st bar 12. Okay, 31st bar 12. Okay. Then we write the next letter. What is the next letter? D. Slanting line. Slanting line in the form of J. And then from there we come and touch the third line. Like this, come and touch the third line, then go and touch here. Slanting line, the form of J, come down, touch the third line and come inside. This is cursive capital D. Like this. Okay children? One more line. Go back and like this. This is capital cursive letter D. Okay? Capital cursive letter D. Capital cursive letter D. Should practice this in your rough book and also in your cursive writing book. Okay children? Okay. Okay children, now did you all watch the video? How to write capital cursive A, B, C and D? Okay, very good. Should practice, okay children? Okay, good children. Now, we will move to the first lesson of the third term. That is lesson 1, action words. Okay, now all of you have your term book, isn't it? You should open your term book and read all the action words. Okay? You should read all the action words and also practice. Okay? Now see, ma'am is going to show you a video. Watch this video and you should also practice these actions at home. Will you do it? Okay then. Let's watch some action words and after that we will see what we have to study. Okay?
Walk. I can walk. I can walk like a cat. Walk. Walk. Stomp. I can stomp. I can stomp like an elephant. Stomp. Stomp. Waddle. I can waddle like a duck. Waddle. Waddle. Stand. I can stand like a flamingo. Stand. Stand. Run. I can run. I can run like a cheetah. Run. Run. Jump. I can jump. I can jump like a kangaroo. Jump. Jump. Hop. I can hop. I can hop like a rabbit. Hop. Hop. Fly. I can fly. I can fly like a butterfly. Fly. Fly. Dance. I can dance. I can dance like a bear. Dance. Dance. I can climb. I can climb like a monkey. Climb. Climb. I can clap. I can clap like a seal. Clap. Clap. I can swim. I can swim like a fish. Swim. Swim.
Did you all watch the video? Did you all like the video? See, there are so many actions, isn't it? So you all do these actions at home. Okay, will you all do it? Good. Now, you don't have to learn all the words, children. These action words, we are going to study 6 words. How many words? 6 action words. Today, ma'am is going to teach you 3 action words, and then next week we will study 3 more action words. These 6 action words you have to write in your notebook and study. Okay, children? You have to learn the spelling also very nicely. Okay? Okay, what are those action words? The first action word which we are going to study is sit. Okay? And after that we will study read, write, eat, drink and run. Okay, these are the 6 action words which we are going to study this week and next week. Okay, children? Okay, then let's watch one more video with all these 6 action words. Okay, look carefully, listen to the spelling and try to learn it. Okay? Okay, children. Now we will study 6 of the action words. Okay, now look at the first action word, children. What is that girl doing? Yes, run. What is the girl doing? Run. Good. Now, do you all know what is the spelling of run? Let's read together. Okay, are you all ready? Yes. What is the first letter? R. U. N. Run. Let's read it once again. R. U. N. Run. Okay, run. Okay, now what is the next action word? The next action word is read. Yes, the next action word is read. Look, the boy is reading a book, isn't it? So now let's read the spelling. Okay, are you all ready? Yes. What is the first letter? R. Yes. First letter is R. Then yes, E, A, D. Okay. What is this action word? Read. Let's read it once again. R, E, A, D. Read. What is this action word? Read. Okay. Now, we'll move to the next action word. Now what is the next action word? What is that girl doing? Yes, she is writing, isn't it? She is writing with a pencil, isn't it? Yes. Now see, let's read the spelling. Now look at the spelling, children. What is the spelling? Shall we read it together? Right. Isn't it? The first letter is, come on. Yes. W R I T E. Right. Very good. Now once more, children. W R I T E. Right. Okay, what is this action word? Yes, right. The action word is right. Okay, now what is the next one? Eat. What is the next action word? Eat. And what is the spelling of eat? E-A-T. Eat. Okay, the next one is drink. Drink. See, the boy is drinking milk. What is the spelling of drink? Let's read it together. Okay. The first letter is D R I N K. Let's read it once again. D R I N K. Drink. What is it, children? What is the action? Drink. Once more. Drink. Very good. Now we'll go to the next action word. What is the next action word? Yes. The next action word is sit. Sit. Okay? Sit. See, the girl, what is she doing? She's sitting on the chair, isn't it? Yes. Now, what is the spelling of sit? It's very easy, isn't it? S-I-T. What is the spelling of sit? S-I-T. Sit. Okay? S-I-T. Sit. Once again, children. S-I-T. Sit. Very good. You have to study all the action words very nicely. Okay, children? Yes, all the 6 action words you should study very nicely. Okay. Okay, now children, did you all watch all the 6 action words? Yes? Okay. Now these are the 6 action words which you have to study. Okay? But today we are going to study 3 action words. Okay? Which are the 3 action words? The first one, sit, then you have eat and drink. Okay, can you tell me what is the spelling of sit? Come on. Yes, S-I-T. Sit. Very good. S-I-T. Sit. Once again, read, children. S-I-T. Sit. Very good. Now what is the second one? Eat. What is the spelling of eat? E-A-T. Eat. Very good. What is the spelling of eat? E-A-T. Eat. Very good. Once more. E-A-T. Eat. Very good. Now what is the third one? Drink. And what is the spelling of drink? D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Once again, children. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. Very good. Now you have to write these 3 action words in your notebook. Okay, children? You take your English notebook, take a new page, write on top 3rd term, and then you write the date. Okay? Make 3 columns. Okay? First column you write sit, second column you write eat, and the third column you write drink. Okay? And you have to write the full page. Okay, children? And when you're writing, read and write. Read the words and then write. Okay, children? Okay. Okay, children, what are the things which we studied today now? Tell me. Yes, capital cursive letter A, B, C and D. You have to practice it in your rough book and also you write in your cursive writing book. Okay, children? Okay. And then what is the second thing which we studied today? Yes, lesson 1, action words. Which are the action words which we studied? We studied lots of actions, isn't it? But mainly today we studied 3 action words which we have to learn the spellings, isn't it? Which are those 3? Sit, eat and drink. Very good. You have to study, okay, children? Okay, very good. And also practice the actions at home. Will you do it? Okay, and don't forget about the cursive small letters. Whenever you get time, practice that also. Okay, children? Okay. Now, you all study nicely. Be safe at home and also be happy. Okay, children? We'll meet in the next session. Till then, bye-bye.